Alright, you guys, welcome to your local Home Depot. Today at my local Home Depot, we're going to be talking about kits, right? So this is free power tools, while supplies last. I'm pretty sure this is all the way through Christmas, but you're going to be able to get into these kits. So now this is good for somebody that has never gotten into a kit, wants to get into a kit, and you know, this is your time, you guys, to buy a brand and get into it for a really good price. So let's start out on the low end of the spectrum here. And when I say low end, I don't mean like less quality, I just mean the, you know, entry level kind of tools. So here we have the Ryobi, right? So $149, we're going to get this 4.0 brushless hammer drill kit. So we'll get brushless technology, and we're getting a hammer drill, which is going to give us all kinds of options using the drill. We can drill through concrete, we're going to be able to drill holes, we're going to be able to use it as a driver. There's a clutch on it, and it has a 4.0 battery, so that's going to give us a pretty decent amount of runtime. So if I buy that for $140, I'm going to be able to get any one of these tools free with that. So what would you guys pick? Personally, if, oh my god, you can get 2 extra 4.0 batteries. What? That's crazy. That's crazy. Man, so I'm thinking right now, I don't know which one I would get. I would probably, honestly, I would be going, if I didn't have any tools, I would be going one of these 3 right here. This is a great tool to have, this is a great tool to have, and this is a great tool to have. But everybody needs a reciprocating saw, right? So let's do for $259. So now we're $110 more, right? We're getting a little less of an ampere-hour battery, but we're getting 3 total tools. So we're getting a circular saw, we're getting a drill driver, and we're also getting an impact with a compact battery and a 3.0 battery. The advantage here is that compact battery, you guys, especially if you're doing impact work or drill work above your head, it's light, it's easy to use. You're probably not going to use it on the circular saw because you won't get that much runtime. You can, but you just won't get that much runtime. But the 3.0 will be able to sufficiently power all 3 of those. So then, not only when you buy that, so you're 110 more than this kit, but you're getting 2 free items here. So we already have 3 tools. And then I would just add, personally, these 2. So for $259, I have a 5-piece toolkit from Ryobi. The great thing about Ryobi is, and I know what you're saying right now, if you're a pro, you might not use Ryobi, but we have a lot of pros that use Ryobi. They love Ryobi. It's a really good kit. It's a good deal. Next, let's move into the kind of semi-pro area, which would be rigid, right? So right here we have a 2. Now, I don't know if these are X5s because it doesn't say, so I'm going to assume that they're not X5s. Yeah, but I don't know. Yeah, it doesn't have the ring light on it, so I don't believe this is an X5. I could be wrong. Comment below, you guys. I'm not a total expert. So $199, we're getting into the drill and the driver and that fast charger. See that fast charger? That's a really good charger, and we're gonna get 1 tool free. So again, with this kit for $200, I'd definitely be going for the recip saw. The recip saw after the drill is the #1 saw in my book. It's the #1 you need. The recip, and then follow it up by the circular saw, and then follow it up by this, then a grinder, jigsaw. I mean, you could do, it depends what kind of woodworking you're doing, but you know. So, and then you get a 4.0 battery with this. Well, it looks like 1 4.0 battery, so you're still kind of low on batteries. The great thing about Rigid, you guys, is they're covered for life. You get free batteries and free parts when you buy the kit. You also have to register that kit ASAP. If you buy this kit and in, you know, 2 years your battery dies and you didn't register it, you're not getting that lifetime warranty. It's all you have to do is just register it. So next over, $349. So we're about 100. A little less than $90 more than the Ryobi one. So here we're gonna get, looks like 2 4.0 batteries. I think this one might have 2 4.0 batteries too, I'm not sure. 2 4.0 batteries, you're getting pretty much all the tools you need, plus a radio and a flashlight, and then you can still add down to it. You know, you can go into 2 extra 4.0s. Then you're gonna have 4 batteries, which is gonna give you all the batteries for the tools. Again, Rigid lifetime warranty. Again, it's not the X5, it's not the top of the line stuff, but it's a kit. Kits generally usually are, you know, not the flagship models of their line. Next, you guys, who do we have? Milwaukee. Everybody loves Milwaukee, right? So buy this, $269. We're gonna get a 2 amp hour and a 4 amp hour red lithium M18 battery. So we can add a radio, the T-vac. I call it the T-vac. It's not, it just looks like a teapot to me. A grinder, reciprocating saw. Oh my God, that's a nice light. Oh man, this is getting really crazy now, because this is a hard decision now. And the sander. Personally, you guys, that light is awesome. And a 5.0 battery. Man, damn. So for $269, what are you guys gonna pick on this one? This is a tough one, but I'm telling you right now, Milwaukee makes the best reciprocating saws on the market, bar none. That's why they're called Sawzalls. They invented the market. So definitely good stuff. So let's bump it up a little bit. Let's go to $400. Now that's kind of quite a big jump. But here we're getting an impact, a drill, the recip, and a light, and a charger for $399. So really, you're getting a different kind of impact, it looks like. Yeah, this one's a more compact impact. Ooh, this is a very tough decision. These are two more compacts. These look like kind of like Gen 2s. I'm not sure, you guys, because I don't have the model numbers in front of me, but those look like more Gen 2-ish to me. These look like more of an entry-level kit here. So that's a tough one, too. All right, so now to Makita. Kind of the same thing. Actually, Makita is a little bit more than if you go into the entry-level Milwaukee, because here you're getting the Makita brushless drill, a Makita brushless impact, and two 4.0 batteries, and then you can add any of these Makita tools. This is actually a cool Makita tool right here. I like that. Or you can go to $399, add a circular saw. So for $100, they're gonna give you a circular saw. They're gonna give you a 2.0 battery instead of a 4.0 battery, but you still get one 4.0 battery. And then, oh, you can get two of these. Wow. So for $399, you can get two of these. That's crazy, you guys. Same with the $399, so you're getting two. So the more you spend, the bigger deal you're getting. And let's go over to DeWalt. DeWalt is one of my favorite brands for sure. This is a tough one too, because we have $299 versus $379, and the difference we have here is we're looking at a 20-volt max kit and we're looking at a flex volt kit. If I go with this kit, I'm able to backwards compatible to all these tools. If I go with this kit, I can't get in the flex volt tools. So personally, oh my gosh, for $379, you're looking at $80 more. I would go with this kit right here. It's got a fast charger. It's got a good impact, it's got a great drill, and I can get two accessories right here. And again, accessories, I don't know why I keep going back to reciprocating saws. I just feel like they're needed. I would probably get the recip saw and either the circ or the multi-tool. You know, these other little ones I wouldn't worry about. But then again, also, you guys, price it out. You know, how much is this? All these tools are not the same price, right? So, I mean, this radio could be $89 and this could be $129. So if you really look into this deal, you can get which is going to be the best deal. But it's up to you guys. I mean, Home Depot, look, has everything. So take your pick, come in, get whatever. This is the Algonquin, Illinois Home Depot, you guys. It's my local Home Depot, and they do a pretty great job of setting these things up. And also, the great thing about Home Depot is the return policy, right? This is pretty cool right here. Look at this right angle attachment. That's very cool. They do a great job, return policy. You know, if you're not satisfied with this, you can return it. And of course, if you're with Rigid, you have a lifetime warranty on your tools. So all different price points, all different cool stuff. Let me know what you guys think. What deal do you guys think is the best? All right, you guys, that's it. That's the Home Depot kit tour. Hopefully you guys like it. Again, there's a lot of decisions to be made. It's up to you on what your work choices are. If you're a jigsaw guy, you're gonna pick a jigsaw. But for just entry-level kits, I mean, all four of those brands up there are really good. It just depends what brand you want to get into. If I was to recommend any brand, oh my gosh, I just couldn't. There's just too many price points. Everybody knows I love DeWalt. I also love Milwaukee. I also love Rigid, and I really like Ryobi too. You know, it's crazy. And Makita makes some good stuff too. So it's a hard choice, especially if you're just getting into these tools. So you need to look at the big picture, right? So who has the most tools, okay? Who has the most tools here? I believe the most tools are going to be these two right here. Makita and Milwaukee have the most 18-volt tools in their lineup. Probably followed by... Actually, Ryobi has a lot too. But then again, over here, you're being a pro, and over here you're at the homeowner level, right? Pros still do use Ryobi. They do last on a job site, you guys. They're great because they're inexpensive, and if they get lost or stolen, it's not as big a sting as losing a, you know, one of these. Plus, it's less likely to get stolen because people are going to go for the red or the yellow or the blue. All right, you guys, peace out. Check it out. This is the Algonquin, Illinois Home Depot. Let me know, comment below. I want to know what your guys' local Home Depot is.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.